Welcome to an online weather briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service in Las Vegas, Nevada. In this briefing, we will address the expected impacts of a strong Pacific storm, which will move into the West Coast Wednesday, then swing into Southern California Friday and across Arizona Saturday and Sunday. The storm will begin to exert its influence Wednesday by producing gusty southwest winds across much of the region. Conditions will be favorable for enhanced downslope winds in the lee of the southern Sierra in California and also the Spring Mountain Range in southern Nevada. High wind watches are in effect for these areas, including the Owens Valley and Red Rock Canyon, where gusts of 55 to 70 miles per hour will be possible. Computer forecast models indicate that the center of the storm will move into Southern California Friday, then slowly across Arizona Saturday and Sunday. This storm track is favorable for significant widespread precipitation across southern Nevada and northwest Arizona Friday and Saturday. Estimated liquid precipitation of a ½ inch to 1 inch is possible across southeast Nevada and northwest Arizona. This could equate to 6 to 12 inches of snow for the mountains. High temperatures will generally drop 10 to 15 degrees between Wednesday and Friday across the region. The computer forecast models have been indicating a slower progression for this system as it moves inland Friday through Sunday. This has boosted confidence that it will produce significant precipitation across southeast Nevada and northwest Arizona, but it is still less than certain, and confidence is currently moderate in this scenario playing out. Confidence in pinpointing specific rain and snow amounts is considerably lower. The one thing we can almost always count on is gusty winds with these systems, and confidence is high. The downslope winds will develop in the lee of the southern Sierra and Spring Mountains. To summarize, here is what we can expect. Widespread winds of 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 35 to 45 miles per hour Wednesday. High downslope winds in the Owens Valley and Spring Mountains Wednesday. Snow levels dropping to between 3,500 and 4,500 feet by Friday night. Significant rain and snow possible for southeast Nevada and northwest Arizona. Temperatures below normal Friday and Saturday, and gradual drying from west to east Saturday night and Sunday. This has been an online weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Las Vegas, Nevada for March 4th, 2013. You can find us at weather.gov/Las Vegas or on Facebook and in the Twitter sphere by following #NWS Vegas. Thank you for tuning in.